So we have a new matchbox casting. It is an international CXT. I saw one time I've seen this in real life, and it's huge, just by the size of and the width of it, and it's high. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, I gotta figure out how to somehow open up matchbox cards, without really destroying it. Oh. Okay, so where is this from? This one came from, oops, right there, Thailand. So this one came from Thailand. Wow, okay. What are we looking at? So there's a space there. Looking at the emblem. So matchbox. Oh, what's this? Does that look like a Lego set? Oh, can't even see it. My eyes are already fooling me. Otherwise, it's not that bad. It's a cool casting. Cool.